Kayla. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about the good, the bad, the thriving, and the dying plants in our collection, and we try to learn the best way to grow our plants. So if that's something you'd like to contribute to, participate in, or you just want to hang out, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So today I'm really excited. I have some plant mail. It's a Planty trade with Kayla's plants. I will insert her name somewhere here and put her YouTube link in the description below. Go check her out. I think she's really cool. She's really down to earth. I really like listening to her videos. And yeah, so alrighty. I will switch the camera around so that we can see what we got in here. And yeah, alrighty. See you in a bit. Alright guys, doing a quick cut open. So I know what two of the plants are because we discussed it, and then we said we'd throw in a couple extras as surprises. Alrighty, so this is how it's nicely packed, I will say. Probably packed better than what I sent her, but that's okay. Go check out the note. Oh, she tells me what it is. Alright, I'm not going to look because I want to be surprised. Okay. Let this dry out. Okay. Just clean up our mess as we go. Or try to at least, right? Okay. So we got this. I really do like how she reuses packaging from other from when she gets packages. I do the same thing, girl. I think it makes sense. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. So this is the Pothos Mandula. I do not have one of these. So this is one of the ones that we agreed to trade on. Make sure I got you in the frame. But the Pothos Mandula, very excited to have this guy. And you know, I don't have a Maranta. I used to. I actually keep them now, normally, when I had them anyway, as water plants because they die for me anyway. And I've been looking at them in the stores, and I'm like, oh, I don't know. And I'm so glad you actually sent me one, because then I don't have to buy one. I could just have my little water plant Maranta. This is the red variety. Very cute. Okay, we are getting into this. I think is the, it's a neon pothos that has a little bit of white variegation. And I'm really excited to see if the variegation stays on the plant as it grows, or if it was just like a little, little splotch on the leaf. I'd like to see how stable that variegation is. So there's the other one. Okay. All right, I don't know. Okay, all right, now we're gonna have to look at the list. Hold on. I'm not sure. Okay, I know this one. It's a Cebu Blue, which is funny because I sent her a cutting of my Cebu Blue. So we traded. That's cute. And then we have, a Monstera Siltipatana. That has to be, I think it's this guy. I do not have one of these. They look so cool grown out. I'm so excited. I really hope this survives. I think it will. Everything she said, I think, started roots or has at least little root nubs. I can see some roots. Oh, I'm excited about this one. Wow, I don't have this one. This was a good one. Okay, and then this one is the Chrysilla elegans. It reminds me of a Tradescantia. I don't have this either, so this is also very cool. It's very fuzzy. Really fuzzy. Very nice. I don't know if you could see the fuzz, but it's very fuzzy. very felty. This is a nice one. Thank you so much, Kayla. Alright, I'll put them all down here so that you can see what I got. The Maranta. Alright, so I am very excited. Out of all of these, the only one that I already have is the Cebu Blue. So this was a great trade. I really hope you like the plants that you got. And I can't wait to do a trade with you again sometime in the future. Alrighty. Until next time, guys. Relax, plant, and peace out.